They're fresh off their 4th day off in 40 days. The Forsyth County Department of Public Health staff and National Guardsmen restarted the mass vaccination center at the Education Building in the Winston-Salem Fairgrounds for their 2nd full week of vaccinations.
You know, this is a marathon, not a sprint. And I'd say it's not even a marathon, this is an ultra marathon. You know, we know that we're going to be in this for months, getting this vaccine out there into the community. So, you know, right now we're depending on the supply, we're trying to build in some days where people can be off.
A whirlwind. Last week saw them reach 10,000 vaccinations since December 23rd and go from 1,100 vaccines on Sunday to more than 1,700 vaccines on Friday. Swift says they still have an eye towards improving.
Then we're experimenting with different ways to get the vaccine out there. We've started working on a system where we bring in a large group at one time, have them all seated, and then we go through and offer that education to the whole group and go down the line. So it's pretty labor intensive for the staff, but the public seems to like it, and even the staff, because they see how many people they can get through. So we're constantly trying to refine the process.
In the first group of the day, we found Mr. Tommy Douthit, the owner of Douthit Funeral Home.
I get the flu shot, every shot I need to get, I get it. I'm 76 years old, a few months from being 77. So I want to be a role model or a pace setter. If I can get it, you can get it.
He and the staff member got theirs.
I'm the owner of a funeral home, Douthit Funeral Services, and I came to get my shot because it is important that we get it. And we deal with a lot of families who have had COVID-19 deaths in their family. So we feel like we ought to be example setters by going to get the shot, letting people know that it is a safe shot, not only for people, but for our ethnic group, and not be afraid.
His church and his business has played an active role in responding to COVID-19 over the last year.
My church is Galilee Missionary Baptist Church, and we have been involved with being a satellite through our church, giving food away for people who have lost their jobs. In my business, we help families who are not financially able to take care of everything that they can. We do what we can to assist them in taking care of it, altering some charges. We have even given some services away at no cost because families just don't have the funds to do what they need to do.
All COVID-19 vaccines from the health department will be given at the Education Building at the Winston-Salem Fairgrounds. For Forsyth County and the City of Winston-Salem, I'm Ed McNeil.